do this pre-market watch list. So for today, main setup that I'm going to be keeping an eye out on, as I mentioned earlier, is going to be this higher low structure that we've been forming from the pre-market. Going to be keeping an eye out to see if we get a break of the structure. So below this lower trend line, we could see a nice break, and then above it, see a nice push up. As of right now, we still have some time before this open, but we are opening up right at previous high of day, aka Friday's high here. So that is going to be something I'm going to be keeping an eye on if we do get a hold below it. A hold below this structure there. Do have resting liquidity sitting right at about 450.59, 450.60 on QQQ. So I would like to see an actual back test into that for me. But yeah, I do like how we are holding below previous high of day right here. So that would probably be our breakout level. Actually, no, breakout level would probably be above overnight high. Maybe. Goodbye. Nah, actually, let's just say. No, we'll say above that upper trend line. So above that upper trend line, we'll get a breakout. And then, yeah, below this lower one. So below 451.30, I'd say. 451.30 would see a break lower. But yeah, I'm looking for a sweep in that liquidity down to 450.59. So that'll probably be the main thing I'll be watching today for today's opening trade, if we could get that. Take a look at Apple here. Apple is looking quite choppy here. We are currently sitting in a bit of a range here, though, from 416 to about, I'd say, yeah, that 216 to about that 217 level. Remember, as I mentioned during that watch list, that 217 is going to be that breakout level that we look for. If we got above there, we'd probably see that 220 push, but as of right now, we are also sitting below previous high of day. So that'll be one thing to look for there. Microsoft above previous high of day, but also still sitting between a range here. So right where we're sitting at right now, below previous high of day and also below view up, it looks like you could see a nice back test into this 406 or 407 area where we're kind of consolidating at Friday's close. So you could see a back test there. Do like that.
Samir is asking Alex what if you have a comment on sizing on a 50k top step account. He has gone to Express account now. That means he can do payout if he perform well, like PH on Apex.
What account size is it? Oh,
50k,
50K.
so that's 2k drawdown, I think.
It's a little high for me, to be
Two
honest.
and a half? Two and a half?
If you're copy trading, that's a little high for me personally. I'd probably stay with 3. Yeah, you did 3. Yeah, I'd stick with 3. 2 or 3. Especially if you're copy trading, so.
Yeah. If you're not copy trading, you could do one and a bit higher, and then trade the other one not at the same time. That's I kinda when you're. It depends how new you are as a trader. I kinda like trading one account when you're for some time also, because
Like,
you're gonna feel if you have say let's say 2-3 bad days and gonna actually blow these accounts, you're gonna feel quite depressed of, and your psychology level gonna be quite bad after blowing all the PH accounts, and it's gonna be hard to reset and go back to evals. So I like I would recommend doing one at a time, but it depends how comfortable you are.
yep.
It's a very hard question, but
I do like how we're setting up here with Google actually. You see, you have almost like a flagging structure. It actually almost looks like a cup and handle. I don't know if you guys are seeing my screen here, but 5 minute have kind of like the cup formation right here, and handle is starting to form right now. So we should see a pretty nice move off the open today with a lot of these names actually. We have the inverse McDonald's setup right here on Google, which is really nice. If you guys see that, we got that clean break above that 161. Let's see if what we taught last week's class would work out. So we have a bit of a neckline right here. See, the only bad thing I don't like about Thinkorswim is when you draw like your larger time frame fair value gaps, it's like you can't click anything inside of it. Otherwise, we just only highlight the actual box. It's quite annoying. But yeah, inverse McDonald's setup here on Google. All right, we talked about how we should draw that setup. All right, we're gonna draw it body to body from wherever that starts from. So it'd be from this candle body to about this one right there. Duplicate it, bring it up, and you'll see our actual first point of resistance steps in right about here. So if you guys see that, once we actually hit that red target, or right up to our target, get a nice little rejection right there, and then that actually sent us higher. So that was actually kind of nice. Inverse McDonald's. But anyways, so yeah, I do like this structure coming in with Google. So same exact thing as a lot of these names actually. And then NVIDIA here on this 5 minute structure. Not too much going on, I'll be honest. You do see we did get a break from this higher low setup on the 5 minute. You guys see that? Higher low breakout right there. And then now we are getting a test of, or we're just shy of previous high day, so that would probably be my breakout level up to probably about 40 or 107. So above previous high day, we have a nice move up to 107. And then we could start seeing rejection come in from there. But yeah, like I said, I still am keeping an eye out on this larger 4-hour structure, seeing how that plays out. Looks like we are actually getting a tap off this lower trend line here. One of the first official taps off of that.
Yeah, Japan index was closed this night also. Mickey, by the way.
What do you mean closed?
Yeah, they have like in holiday day.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
exactly. Yeah. No, it went down 17%, so they
Yeah.
closed it. But we're a gap opening on Nasdaq. That would be quite interesting.
Good morning.
Morning. Who that? Sal? Adam? Oh, that's Adam.
Yeah,
Morning.
Good morning.
it's so quiet here today.
We just went over the watch list, and
Oh, that's what's up.
we literally just went over everything. Now we're just waiting for a ton to get in here.
Yeah, yeah,
You
we
just
have.
joined.
Oh,
Is
did
he
he?
not here?
Hey, brother.
You just
Oh,
joined.
Oh,
You came in at the same time. Ton, I heard you don't want that cat, bro.
Nah, bro, because we're gonna go on vacation in like 2 months. For like 2 weeks.
Yeah, Dan can watch it.
Hell nah. I think it's just hella irresponsible.
That's
Y'all
just
set me
funny.
up, bro. I like this setup here that we're getting. Low resistance liquidity run.
Yeah, I like us to get this break to the structure here below this lower trend line. 637. Alright, we'll see what we got. Have to open here in 8 minutes. As of right now, we are holding this lower trend line. Yep. Holding it so far. Depending on how you draw it. Oh, a lot of people in here.
How many are we, by the way?
We're 14.
13.
I think we peak out
Oh,
at about like 15 people usually.
oh.
It's like the
Gee,
same
she's
as
not even in here yet.
But how many do you have inside here that can join the live trading session?
Oh, I have no
Yeah.
clue.
Okay.
There
I
is
think it's about like
40-ish
yeah.
Oh, really?
that,
Oh.
that can join, yeah. Yeah, I know the one, his name is Mr. Boy. He just joined as well. He's under I think he's in Singapore. I think he's in
Oh, nice.
Singapore. I forget exactly what it was. Yeah, so if he joins the live trading, I think it's like 3 in the morning for him. Or no, okay, no, he's in Hong Kong. Okay, he's in Hong Kong. Okay, so it's not that big of a difference. Never mind. Well, it's I believe 24 hours apart.
It's a 12-hour difference.
Yeah, so it's 9:30, or our 9:30 a.m. is 9:30 p.m. for him.
Yeah,
Isn't
so it's
that
night now
bad?
for him. Yeah, it's quite a good time to trade,
Yeah,
honestly.
it's not the worst,
Yeah,
but
before bed, you need to relax some and.
You're gonna go to bed with
you're
like
gonna
a
go to bed angry.
Yeah, you cannot have a
Yeah,
red day. No red day.
Jesus. Go to bed with high cortisol as well.
yeah. Your heart rate's like 120 going to sleep.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
that would suck.
that's not good. I don't know about that, but just imagine you have like a really good fun day. You go to trade at night and then it just kills your mood before you go
Ruins
to
it.
sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would not be good. At least you get to sleep it off, but that would really help with the psychology because you literally just hop off and go straight to sleep, reset. But
Yeah,
It's like
maybe
when you're
you're
done
just
trading,
you
you just sleep.
yeah, maybe you're just really angry and you stay up and try to find out what happened. Why you messed up, so you can't even sleep.
Oh, but I mean, if we have horrific day, we would do that maybe even anyway, right? So
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I kind of want. I would love to trade that late. I think you need like 1 hour and cortisol levels will be down and you can go to sleep. But, I mean, I'm quite a night owl, so I don't go to sleep that at that time anyway.
Anyways, yeah, so going back to charting. Downside targets for me are going to be, we have resting liquidity sitting at 18,602. So if you have to get tapped into that, I do like that there. And actually, also at overnight lows as well. So like I said, still continue to watch that short entry if we are able to get it. And be keeping an
Yeah,
eye out on
18602 is at the top of the new day opening gap
Mm.
from Friday to Monday.
So yeah, actually looking for a breakout trade then, not.
Yeah, I guess it would be more so of a breakout, but I would be
Oh,
taking an entry probably inside of this channel that we're sitting in right
yeah.
now.
Thank you.
I think I will be doing. I'm gonna draw a fib here.
I'm not
Yeah,
a big fan of breakout trades. I
yeah.
mean, when you.
So yeah, we have potential setup here on fib. 5-minute GP setup sitting right at previous high of day. I'll draw this out on QQQ as well so you guys can see, but yeah, pretty much right at previous high of day here. So back test into 452.15 would probably be my entry. And then my stop probably will be above overnight highs. Close above overnight highs, so there's quite a bit of risk here, but I think if we do let this trade play out and we hold it pretty much all the way through, this could be a really nice breakdown.
Oh, you went in short? No.
No, 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 no.
No,
Oh,
no,
wow, look at
no.
that candle, though.
Yeah, I was saying, shame.
Bounce here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is our top off view up here on NQ.
Yeah, this is VWAP to the midnight open
Yeah.
coming up.
We
Wow. Okay,
have,
this is quite a lot of volatility.
That's a nasty candle.
yeah, also, oh yeah, here's our view up top, there it is.
Let's see the reaction.
This might be a breakout immediately off the open, to be honest.
We can just wait for a retest. Against that's gonna form a
Yeah,
reaction.
I might play the retest on this. Looks like this 15-minute structure is gonna get this candle closed lower, but we'll see. 15-minute candle looks like it wants to close out of this trend line here. You know, for how big this candle is, it's actually not that much, that many points.
No.
Yeah,
Asia
30
was
points.
slow.
It's literally only 30 points here.
yeah. I was gonna say that I was
Yep.
wrong. It was just the initial bid time and sales that got me. Oh wow, this is gonna move fast, but it did not.
Yeah, that's a nice.
Alright, here's the open.
Yeah,
So,
still
yeah,
no close below VWAP or midnight.
you know, 5-minute candle is gonna be holding here, but this, we did get that official break on this 15-minute structure here, so this is right here, technically a break and retest right here, right where we're sitting at right now.
Yeah, 1 minute fair value gap here.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Watching the open with these individuals here, guys. Strong open off Nvidia here. I think if Nvidia gets this top off this upper trend line, I'll be taking a short.
Yeah, VWAP and midnight.
Yep. I'm gonna try it right here. I'm in. 61. It is a little bit earlier, but I have my stop as a close. Oh wow.
Yeah. That was a nice entry for you though.
So with this trade here, I'm just gonna have my stop as a 5-minute candle close above previous high of day, or maybe I'll do I might do above GP, but I do like this here. I want us to kind of, like I said, that break and retest structure. I think if we are able to get this break below VWAP here, we should be able to see a nice push here. Guiding this trade here for me is I am still keeping an eye on Nvidia, right? And Nvidia's 4-hour structure. We did get that break or that tap into that upper trend line for that wedge structure, so I would like to see that reject there. We have Apple sitting at previous high day. Want to see that reject, and then want to see Microsoft close below VWAP, and then Google close also below this lower trend line. But we were literally just up like 30 points right there, so I think I'm going to be looking for the bigger move here, guys. If we are able to get this rejection and close below VWAP, if we could get that, that would be really nice. But we'll see. So like I said, my stop probably is going to be above previous high of day. And I think I'll honestly give that a 15-minute structure, I think. Either above previous high of day, or maybe I might even do... Actually, I'll do above 78.6, because that's actually only about 20 points. So a larger time frame candle close above 78.6, as is only 20 points there. I think this might actually also be a 15-minute structure here as well, but we'll see. We definitely could actually still continue to get this tap into previous high of day and a 70 and a GP, so do keep that in mind. If this 5-minute structure gets a candle close above 60 here, if we get a candle close above 60, we probably would look to head towards previous high of day and that GP. So if you haven't taken an entry yet, you're not really too confident in this setup just yet, you could wait for that. But like I said, I think I will take this just off this move so far. But we will see though. It's actually a pretty strong pop here. This is our back test
Yeah, on
into previous
Nvidia.
high of day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wow.
So Nvidia did not get that rejection there off that trend line, but we are still sitting at a pretty decent spot here actually. Because remember, this Nvidia structure is going to be a 4-hour structure, so I am expecting a little bit of slippage past this level. But like I said, yeah, we did get that candle close above that 60 level, so this 5-minute should allow us to get maybe a little bit more of a pop up into the GP, but we'll see. So, like I said, you guys can watch your entries here if you want to still wait, unless you guys are already in with me, but
Yeah, I'm in with you. 60 for me.
yeah. Like I said, the stop at above the 78.6 even still isn't that bad. That's only about a 20-point risk right there, so you can see it at overall so far, the volatility is... Actually, I think it's kind of low right now for how we're moving, so... But I mean,
Yeah,
we'll
compared to
still
last
see.
week, it's pretty low.
Yeah, we'll still see though, because this is only the, opening candle right here, so...
pretty choppy open here.
Yeah.
SPY looks a little bit weaker though, in my opinion, if you take a look at that. SPY is
Yeah,
also
yeah, it does. It's Nvidia here that's really strong.
yeah.
Yeah. I don't like that Nvidia is so strong here, honestly.
Yeah, we
For-
are. Looks like
Oh.
we are trying to actually hold this trend line structure. So we are up here, guys. If you do want to just, take a small gain, start the day green. But for me, I'm gonna be looking to hold this through. I do still think we could get this break. So.
Hallå, hallå. Jag hade lite inlagd. Jag svarade på det, men jag tar inlägg. Ja, vad fan, jag trodde jag svarade. Jag
Red, you're
kollade
not
nu, jag har
muted,
inte
Red.
gjort det nu. Men jag...
We do.
Det finns där. Yeah.
I can't tell if this is Apple strength or Nvidia strength.
Probably both. Both right now. But take a look at how Q's is still moving here. We are still kind of struggling here a little bit. But we do want to
Holding
still
this
see how
trend
this, yeah. We are holding, that trend line like you said. But once again, that 15-minute candle did still close below that. So, I think as invalidation, we would have to see this 15-minute candle close back above that trend line. Nice little dip right here, though, guys, that we're getting so far. If you guys are looking to take some off there, that was already 30 points. If we get just a small dip, from those individuals, we'll see a really nice move down here. Like I said, I'm going to be targeting this liquidity on the 15-minute down to 600 flat. Okay, that's where I'll be looking to target for me. And I do want to see this larger time frame candle close below VWAP. So, like I said, if you guys are happy with that 30 points, you definitely can.
5 minute close below VWAP. We just need to clear midnight here. I think I'm out
Nice
there
flush
though.
here, guys. If you guys want to take this off, you can. Alright, don't get greedy. This is the opening trade. This is also a
I took
Monday.
some off there. Took
Nice.
some off there.
I took some off right here as well, guys. 20. Ooh, hold up. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Okay, we're still going. Alright, I'm off right here. It's right there. 21.
Are you all out? No,
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 not
you just
all out.
no.
21. You can move your stops to break even, but oh wow, this is beautiful, guys. I'm out half, by the way, at 21. Stop loss to break even, guys. Make this a risk-free trade or stops in profit. Risk-free trade, okay? Or unless you want to take all out there, you can. But like I said, I am going to be targeting down to that 18,600 psych level, which is also that 15-minute resting liquidity that was untouched. So
I think we could. Never mind. I'll say back test. We were up there, but
it should be a really nice move here. We did get Apple 5-minute candle close back below VWAP. We probably will see a back test of VWAP and previous high of day, potential continuation down. But we'll see though. Looks like Nvidia might be setting up for a bit of a base here for a push back up to that 110 level. So like I said, you guys can move your stops in profit or break even, okay? I'm setting my stop here as 50. We'll just do 60. 60 to cover fees. So pretty much stop loss break even for my other half, okay? Want to see Nvidia get this back test into view up here. I think once Nvidia gets that back test into view up, we'll look to get all out there, guys, okay? This is 50 points though. You guys could get out all here. I'm actually all out right here, guys. I'm all out right here.
me too. Nice.
9.
Good trade
Nice,
out.
nice.
Let's go,
And the
guys.
streak continues.
Great job. That's how we do
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could continue maybe a little bit more, but I'm really happy with that. So I got a 09 fill, so
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh my god.
for that
Yeah.
I'm happy.
12.5. I got.
He
Of
beats you
course.
again.
Oh, he always beats me. He has magical fingers. Oh, getting out. Yeah.
Beautiful.
2 points. 2 points after on the short. 2 points before on the exit.
Nice trade, guys. Love that.
Yeah.
Like we literally were talking about that. We were watching that during the pre-market, so
Yeah, that was nice. Nvidia was just a bit scared there if it was still gonna squeeze a
Yeah,
bit. Yeah,
yep.
I
I
was
opened up
looking
my
at
eyes. I saw
100.
that.
Yeah,
I saw
100.
that liquidity. Trend line liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
They're
I'm
gonna get it.
Yeah, I'm still up like 44 points. I think I'm done there.
Oh wow, this is a beautiful flush.
Wow.
We're gonna 83 here.
Yeah, this overnight lows are here, guys.
Yeah.
I think our swings also should be coming back to life. Let's take a look. Still down a little bit. As we did lose a little bit of theta there with holding over the weekend, but those actually are coming back to life here a little bit. But yeah, another one and done day. Beautiful trading.
Lovely positioning.
Love that.
Alex, you got 50 points here, right?
Yep, 50 points.
Yeah,
Done for the day.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice job, guys. What are we? 10 minutes, not even 15 minutes into the open. Ah, you love that.
Oh, and I pushed it out here. I actually did not do 3 Nasdaq, Alex.
Oh, I didn't even signal my trim. Oops.
I got out at 40 points. Thank you,
Yeah.
Alex.
40 points is nice. It's very nice. It's just. Yeah. Okay, Alex. So if I did not reduce my size there, I would have another 250k pH now. Now I need some hundreds more, and yeah, that